Morning students. Now today we are going to learn example number 4. Construct the following quadrilateral rectangle OKAY. Okay, right? OK is equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to 5 centimeter. Now look at the rough sketch of it. OKAY given quadrilateral, right? Here the measurement of OK is equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to 5 centimeter. Already we have discussed about it in last video. Now see here, as per the rectangle, we have learned opposite sides are what? Equal. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle, right? So if OK is equal to 7 centimeter, so AY is equal to how many? 7 centimeter. As it is, AK is equal to 5 centimeter, which is the opposite side, OY, right? So about for it, what? How many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Same way, all the angles of a rectangles are what? Right angle. All angles of a rectangle are right angle, right? So on the basis of it, we'll try to construct a given quadrilateral. Now let's see. For that, very first we have to draw what? Line segment OK, having a measurement how many centimeters? 7 centimeter. Got it? OK is equal to how many? 7 centimeter. Right? Now we have to construct a right angle at both at point O as well as at point K. So for that, we very first we have to draw what? Semicircle at both point O as well as at point K. Right? Now then after we have to divide it in equal 3 parts. How many? 3 parts, right? First with the same radius, second and third. As it is here also, right? 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to construct about 90 degree. So for that we have to bisect 60 degree and 120 degree. Now join the lines. Now then after OK is equal to how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. So take a distance over here 5 centimeter. And join this line. So what are the points? A and y. So it's a 7 centimeter. So how many? 5 centimeter. So like this way we can construct the given quadrilateral with the help of measurement. Understood? Sure? Good. Please write steps of construction yourself. Okay. Now next. Now we are going to learn when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. How many sides? 3 sides and 2 angles. Let's see the first example of exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. Construct the following quadrilaterals DEAR. DE is equal to 4 centimeter. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Exercise 4.4. Quadrilateral DEAR dear. Any DE is equal to 4 centimeter. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Got it? Now see, first of all we'll draw one rough sketch for it. DEAR. DE is equal to how many? 4 centimeter. Put the values in the rough sketch. EA 5 centimeter. AR 4.5 centimeter. Angle E how many degree? 60 degree. Angle A how many? 90 degree. So what? Right angle. Got it? But it is rough sketch. Now on the basis of it we'll construct it. Now see, the first we'll construct a line segment DE having a measurement how many? 4 centimeter. DE 4 centimeter. Right? Now we'll construct 60 degree angle at point E. So for that what very first we have to do it? Draw a semicircle at point E, because why? We are going to construct how many degree angle? 60 degree very first. Right? So for that what we have to do? We have to draw what? Semicircle.